Welcome back to channel guys, welcome back to the another video. Well, iOS 27 developer beta 2 is out. As you can see, the update size is around 3.56 depending on which iOS version you are already using and which iPhone you are using. I am on a developer beta 1, so this is the beta 2 size for me. Not a huge size, but still couple of gigs to download. And if I talk about how you can install this update, simply get into settings, get into journal, software update, make sure you have selected beta updates, and you will see the update. Now as you can see, I am already installing this update. As you can see, just 2 more minutes to go. I simply want to make this video to share that should you install this update or not. So if you are on already a beta 1, if you're already using iOS 27 beta 1, I think you should go and install this update. There is no doubt about that. But if you are on 26.5, I will suggest you to wait for 26.5.2. that is also coming very soon. We are also expecting that update this week. Before talking further, I also want to talk about that along with this update. iPad OS 27 beta 2 is already out, as you can see, and on my A16 iPad this is around 1.41 gig. That is quite low, as you can see. And definitely if you are an iPad user and already on a beta 1, I will recommend to install this update. I'm gonna install this update on my this device too, and along with my this iPhone. So yeah, I'm quite excited about this update. I'm gonna see what is up with this update. Now definitely a 24-hour review video will also come out. In that video I will be talking about the battery life and performance, sharing some Geekbench scores and more stuff. But for now, what I'm expecting is I'm expecting some bug fixes. Though there are few bugs going on, like your device sometimes resprings, sometimes it stops working, sometimes Siri is quite laggy, and the battery stats are sometimes weird. So today I use around 98% of my device and it gives me 11 hour and 26 minutes screen on time. Now if I go all the way down, it was active on the lock screen for more than 2 hour and 43 minutes. I don't know why. This is something they need to fix it. It wasn't happening in the previous iOS 26 update, but it is happening since the beta 1 of iOS 27, and they need to fix this so we can see the proper screen on time. But around I'm getting more than 8 hours. That is still really good, but there is still room for improvement, which I will love to see. Now if you believe me or not, my phone was in the morning was around 90%, and I started watching Netflix, and I watch a lot. As you can see, I completed one season. I think 4 or 5 episodes were remaining. I watched all those episodes, and from 90% it was around, I guess, 45% or 50%, or I think it was around 55%. So that is insane. Like after using my device continuously for 4 hours, I still got a lot of battery life. So battery life is great with the beta 1, but I still believe there is small room for improvement that I would love to see. But other than that, again, I am updating this update. Definitely if I see any changes, there will be changes. Obviously I will be bringing another video very soon, but I just wanted to make this video. Just wanted to tell you guys that should you install this update or not. So again, if you are on 27 beta 1, you should install this update. If you are on 26.6 betas, I think you should wait for that betas, don't install the update. And if you are on 26.5, I think you should wait for 26.5.2. that is also coming very soon. But yeah, this was all from this, a very short and simple video, just a news about that 27 beta 2 is out, and definitely I am updating. You can also update, and I will also post what is new with this update very soon. So yeah, make sure to subscribe the channel. Also after 24 hours, 24-hour test video will also come out. In that I will be sharing battery life and performance, Geekbench scores, and more stuff. I will be doing a real world test too, that will come on my other channel. So yeah, quite excited about this update. Again, 27 beta 2 is out. Go and install this update. See you in the next one. Peace out.